Great, now I'm gonna have to friggin' walk all the way up there in these. Thanks.
Breaking in the new tires right. Hey, Penny? Look out. So today's adventure, thought we'd come out and look at some geocaches on Stansbury. Give that whole geocache hunting a second go. But while we're out here, we drove just a little bit further to the Delle exit, and then we went up and over this hill. It's called Quarry Road, Dellwell Road. So we went up and over that. And that's that right there. That hill right there, right there. It's super fun. Never been out here before. And it wasn't too crazy. Some rocks are pretty big and slick, but made it work. So now we're gonna go and check out this, looks like an abandoned rail car or caboose or something. It'll be good. Carry on. Party on, wine.
So there's an abandoned railroad car out here we're gonna go check out. It looks super cool. Penny is excited too. Got T-Swift, Penny.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So,
Is that a bullet hole?
probably.
Dang. Wait, did you open this? What's this?
It looks like it was the I am the strongest son of the longest man. Huh. Interesting. I'd like to meet that guy.
It's a long one. That's what she said.
Lauren had a little casualty.
It's just a scratch.
Just a flesh wound. Also, taco friends showed up.
Yes.
Yes, tacos. Good thing we got a first aid kit.
A few moments later.
Okay, so on our way back from Delle, we stopped at Stansbury Island, and we're just going up some trails that we've never been on before because we usually don't leave the main road. So we're gonna do that and then see if we can find some geocaches. There's a couple around here. Try our hand at that again. Hopefully it's a little bit more successful than the last time.
Man. Goose egg.
Yeah.
No finds.
Yeah, so hopefully that goes well.
So this isn't actually a little tree, it's a patch from Cruiser Gear. And the nice thing about that is when you're wheeling, if you can grab it, just do a quick one of these, stick her there, and bada boom, bada bang. It's not waving around like a crazy person.
I can't keep it. Holy crap.
Dang it!
Why do you keep doing this?
Because it gives you more traction.
So close.
So we've tried it 3 times.
The hill?
Up the hill and not quite made it. So we're gonna try one last time. Airing down.
It smells like burnt rubber.
Yes.
Cool, I'll just do that 3 more times. At least we have a nice view. Yeah. Wow, that's a good view. So here's
not be defeated.
Here's the hill we're trying to get up. You can already see the ruts that we made.
Yeah.
And we were so close to the top. We got like
So close.
right there. We were so close.
That's alright.
We'll get it this time.
Yes.
Stay there. Oh yeah. Woo!
The unsung hero of that hill climb, these new wild peaks. Aired them down to like 17. You can see how they're kind of smushed there a little bit for some uba traction.
Hashtag ad.
Hashtag what? But I wish you could get a real perspective of how steep this is and how it was kind of dumb to go up it. But that Dodge Ram that was following us, he turned around probably about there, right there. He's just like, no, can't follow that track. So it's our first ever find.
Yeah, we
And
actually found one.
we're
out of
gonna
4
leave
different times.
some Polaroids. We took one of the view and then one of
Penny.
Crazy Penny. And
The
that's,
view didn't turn out very good, but
yeah,
that's
right.
okay. We'll still leave